Hey there! Welcome back to Chuo, your trusted guide for picking the right university course and shaping your future. If you've ever looked at a mountain and wondered how it got there, felt the thrill of watching a volcano erupt on TV, or just loved the idea of exploring the great outdoors, then a Bachelor of Science in Geology might be calling your name. So, what's geology really about? It's more than just rocks. It's the story of our planet. In geology, you'll uncover how the Earth is put together, how it changes, and how those changes affect everything from natural disasters to the resources we depend on. You'll learn to read rock layers like chapters in a massive ancient book, discover what causes earthquakes and erosion, and even dive into how we find things like oil, water, and gold. This degree arms you with a solid science foundation and the skills to solve real-world problems, making you a versatile scientist for any career stage. Now, let's talk about what you'll actually study. Earth materials, where you'll get up close with rocks, minerals, and fossils to decode Earth's history. Structural geology and plate tectonics. You'll see how continents drift and collide, shaping mountains and triggering earthquakes. Geomorphology. You'll understand how wind, water, and ice sculpt our landscapes. Geological field methods. This is the fun part, field trips. You'll collect samples, analyze rock layers, and map out the world around you right in the great outdoors. And then there's resource geology, learning how we find and manage valuable resources like metals, groundwater, and energy. It's a perfect blend of classroom learning, lab work, and hands-on adventure. By the time you graduate, you'll know how to interpret geological structures, collect and analyze field data, identify natural resources, assess natural hazards, and use geology in fields like engineering, conservation, and exploration. It's about being both a scientist and a practical problem solver. So, where can this degree take you? The options are pretty exciting. You could become a geophysicist, exploring the Earth's interior with the latest technology, or an exploration geologist searching for valuable minerals, maybe a hydrogeologist making sure communities have safe, sustainable water. You could advise on environmental impact, teach the next generation, or help engineer safer buildings and bridges. And yes, geology is global. I've seen students from Africa and all over the world digging into these opportunities, sometimes literally. What makes this program special? It's the mix of scientific discovery, outdoor fieldwork, and real-world impact. You'll be challenged by tough classes and epic field trips, but you'll graduate ready to make a difference, whether it's protecting our planet or fueling its future. Ready to unlock Earth's secrets? A geology degree could be your next big adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the trail.